The path to your trading success has been found. No complex charts, no baffling analysis. In fact, it's super simple. Our trading lessons and tools are tailored to perfection. You can learn successful stock option trading in just 15 minutes or less. All the hard work has already been done for you. Here are just a few of the key secrets inside our incredible trading assistant software. Knocking Opportunities Signal. We offer some straightforward option learning tools. Our stock option indicators have been super accurate 90 to 100% of the time. This revolutionary new software will alert you automatically with signals, educating you with a direction and when there is a buying opportunity. The key to financial success is timing. Make sure you are in the market at the right time. That's when success will definitely follow. This might irritate some old-fashioned traders who can't accept this piece of software can outperform what they have learned through many years of trial and error. Contrary to the outdated belief system, there are two significant advantages. No trading experience is needed. You can start making a profit right now. As a result, we get highly accurate signals that can be proven to be right 90 to 100% of the time. This is all about maximum profits and minimum risks. Our built-in strategy calculates trade confidence and educates there is a strong likelihood of a successful signal. All signals are displayed and delivered in real time. You have the power to do exactly what you have seen in this video. And finally, make your dreams of financial independence come true. It's calculated and tested. Let me tell you about the door of opportunity that is open for you right now, but will only be open for a limited number of users. This can successfully deliver winning trades when you're ready to experience a unique and very innovative trading tool. We'd love to see you grab it right now. Use it and share your success stories with others. I want you to understand that people learn and experience success when they apply themselves. If you are willing to become financially free, you must be willing to have some skin in the game. If you want to master something, you must dedicate yourself to it with intense practice and training. We've done all the hard work for you here. All you have to do is apply yourself before this offer is closed. Now make a positive step forward in the right direction and become an instant success trading stock options. It's time to profit. See you on the inside.